Hey everybody, it's the Honey Badger here, and today we're going to be replacing the lining of the door because it is blue and it's worn out, where it does actually have the, well, what was the padding and the seal around it. We're going to be replacing it because it does not match both when you get down here and look at the trim and the carpet that were blue at one point but now are black. So that'll look better because it does not look quite right with it being blue. So we're gonna get that replaced with some fresh seal, and that should make things look a lot better on the inside of the truck. When you have yourself sitting in the cabin, you don't see this weird blue lining next to the black trim. And then it's gonna also give us a much tighter seal on the door for weather stripping as well. So the doors are just gonna be sealed better as well. So we're going to remove the old one that's going around the door and we'll put in a new one. So here's the bottom part of the old trim and the bottom part of the new trim liner seal that is at the bottom. Now it has this extra, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, the seal part, more of it than the trim part. And this is unnecessary because it wasn't on the old one that low down. It only started further up. So we need to actually trim this off all the way up to where it ended or started previously, because right now if we close the door, it won't close all the way. So you could hear it latch, but it's not closed. And it's too much seal. So we're gonna trim it and we'll close the door again and we should be done. And there we go. The new seal is in. I need to put that back in. The new seal is in though. Looks a lot cleaner having this be black to match the black trim. I could clean it up a little bit more. The trimming part does take the longest, but the good news is everything now is black to black and matches from the inside as it goes up. I know the lighting isn't great in here, but it looked even worse outside because it's just so incredibly bright you couldn't even see. But the good news is this matches this, which matches the seat belts, which matches the black on the seats. So we're good to go there, and everything's fine and dandy, at least on that. The only thing that doesn't match now is if we look up at the ceiling, which is still blue, but you don't really notice that because it's above you in the cab. And other than that, now these are black and sort of match as well with the blue, and then the blue disappears and everything becomes black again, or white. So that's it. It's tight in here because I'm laying in my truck weird, but this is the weird end of the video. Make sure you drop a like if you like this. Product links are down below in the description as well. And I'll see all of you guys in the next one.